This is Mr. Froggy. We are going to take a look at Mr. Froggy today. Let's see. How long
Kermit.
is he? It's Kermit. Kermit was annoying though. I wouldn't mind. The body is about 8.2 centimeters plus the leg. 5, 9, 10, 11. It's about 11. So it's about 16 centimeters or so from tip to top. Can you see that? No, you can't. Can you see that? It's about, if I went from tip to tip of his leg, which is hard to bend him out straight, he's about 16 centimeters.
Is he a male?
His body, I don't know if he's a male or female yet. We'll find out. Taking an incision and kind of skinning him along his abdomen so you can see the musculature of the abdomen. Look at how vascular that skin is. That is from the abdomen of a frog. Look at the six-pack on that frog. He is one strong, awesome-looking frog.
He's dead now.
He is dead, but he was very strong. And I'm going to try and skin his legs as well so you can see the musculature on the legs, because it's really neat to see how muscles and tendons are connected before you cut into them. If you look really closely, you can see these muscle groups of the frog. Its legs, these muscles run in groups, and then they come bundled in fibers to ligaments and tendons where they attach to the bone. And you see the different groups all working together for them to coordinate movement. All right. Musculature on the exterior of this frog that I have skinned. Seeing it all work together, these muscle groups. You can see very, very distinctly these muscle groups here in the leg, between the calf and the shin. Okay. The rib cage, these tiny little guys here, cutting them out. You can see there's all these fatty lobes all around. So I'm going to cut the ribs away. Let us see the interior. Ooh, I just hit the zoom with some tissue. All right, I'm going to do that on both sides.
I'm using this tablet for my Zoom.
Alright. Alright, so I'm going to assume, if you can see this abdomen that I've opened up, I'm thinking that these are the liver. I'm going to take these lobes of liver out of the way so we can see underneath it. You'll notice right away that the abdomen is filled with what? What do you see here? Can you see what those are? Can you see what those are? No? Can you see what those are? Those are eggs. This is a female frog. It has eggs in it, and I'm just gonna...
We're still naming it Kermit.
See, I'm just removing those eggs that are in the ovary.
Do they always have eggs in them if they're female?
Not always, but this one does. Then you can also see the length of intestine. Unfortunately, I cut through the stomach here. The stomach and the intestines I accidentally cut when I was opening it up. So, move that out. You can see long intestines. Heart, it's a 3-chambered heart in the amphibian class. Pull her little heart out and see if we can see inside her heart and look at the different chambers.
You're yanking on my heartstrings.
Yes, I am yanking out her heart. Pull her little heart out.
Brings no meaning to don't yank my heart out.
I never heard that saying.
It's some sort of saying like that.
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
I don't know the exact words, but something
I
like
hate getting
that.
you when I'm dissecting. Okay.
Let me just use my foot and help you.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, this is going to be about impossible. Let's try and take it through with scissors and see if it'll let us see inside the chambers. Ooh, kinda. Let's see. Well, you can't see all the chambers perfectly, but you can see the inside of the heart. See all this tightly compact squiggly tissue here that comes out? It looks like intestine, but I think it might actually be part of the female reproductive system. I'm not sure. Unless it's just intestine that's packed in behind here. I'm gonna look that up. Look at all that. Huge amounts. Tightly packed in there. And these are just fatty lobes. Fat vesicles. Okay. Okay, look inside. Can you see all these muscular kind of striations and valves? That's very similar to the inside of a human heart, only this is 3-chambered. It's very cool.